Hello, I'm Viviana Ruiz. I have been working for Empire Medical Training for the last 10 years. My role with Empire Medical Training is an event manager. The three top benefits for the attendees from Empire Medical Training. First one, we help them to improve their careers and to open their own practice. We offer over 50 courses with Empire Medical Training, and also we help them to engage with other attendees and make connections to open their own practices. Empire Medical Training is accessible because we travel international and national over 50 cities around the United States. As an event manager, I travel to Florida, I travel to San Diego, LA, Dallas, Detroit. I'm always very happy to see the attendees everywhere we go. The way for us to help our attendees in Empire Medical Training is to help them to open their own practices. We also support them in anything they need. We work with MERS and we help them to have discounts in all the equipments and medicine that they need for their practices. Another beautiful thing with Empire Medical Training, we are partnered with AAOPM and you can get your board certification with them. And also you can show to your patients that you have all the courses complete, and it's a very good safe things for you. So you can show to your patients that you took your education to the top level. Hello, I'm Bibiana Ruiz. I'm a manager with Empire Medical Training. I would like to invite you to take your educational journey with Empire Medical Training.